Parents at Glen Park Elementary School are rallying around a second-grade teacher fighting breast cancer and footing the bill for the substitute while she's on leave.
I think it's unfair. The teacher's already going through so much.
California teachers are given 10 sick days a year. Beyond that, they can take an additional 100 days of extended sick leave, but must pay for their replacement out of their own paycheck, meaning the teacher will still get their daily rate minus the cost of the substitute.
No teacher should have to go through what our second-grade teacher is going through.
The district says this is not unique to San Francisco. In California, teachers don't pay into the state disability insurance program, so they don't benefit from it. The teachers union says it is consulting with our members about the policy and their priorities for contract negotiations next year. There's no national standard for how states deal with teacher sick leave. But this is not a new issue. In Alabama recently, a high school football coach ran out of sick days while his baby was undergoing chemotherapy. So his colleagues donated 100 of their unused days so he could be with her. Back in San Francisco, a GoFundMe page has been set up to help the teacher cover medical expenses and the cost of the substitute teacher. Rahima Ellis, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.